Calgary in Alberta, Canada is a fun scenic place to visit. This is a preview of several upcoming videos, so if you haven't yet subscribed to our Rolling Through North America Travel With Us channel, do it now. Paul and I enjoyed several spots in Calgary during our visit, including the Calgary Stampede, the Calgary Tower, Banff National Park, the Calgary Stampede Parade, Lougheed House, Glenbow Museum, the Calgary Stampede Evening Show, Heritage Park, and the Royal Tyrrell Museum. Enjoy this overview, pick your favorites, and check back often to see the full production of each location as they are released. Paul and I hope you enjoyed our quick overview of several upcoming videos. To receive a notice as each video is introduced, click the subscribe button and notifications bell. We welcome your comments and hope you will give us a big thumbs up on that like button. We also suggest you check out our other videos covering travel throughout the United States and Canada. Check back often as we go rolling through North America. You can travel with us.